If your hotspot on Google Pixel 11 Pro does not work properly on other devices, or if you just encountered some issues with the hotspot on this phone, in order to fix this, first of all, we're gonna go to Settings and just go to Network and Internet, and we want to proceed to the hotspot and tethering. Now, here, if you open the Wi-Fi hotspot, we can find the configuration, but before we go into the configuration, before we make some changes, if you have the hotspot activated and it doesn't work properly, you can just simply turn it off and turn it back on. Another thing that you can do is, while having the hotspot enabled, you can generate this QR code over here. You can tap on it to get the QR code, which can be scanned on other devices in order to connect to your hotspot instantly without the password or just without looking for the network. So of course, this can be very convenient and very easy to connect other devices to your network, to your hotspot. But besides that, what you can also do is you can check out the hotspot password. You want to, of course, make sure that the other person who's trying to join your hotspot, that they enter the correct password. So even just for now, we can change this password to something much simpler, like, for example, to set a set of numbers or something like that. And of course, if you press OK, if your hotspot is enabled, then it's going to refresh, so keep that in mind. Besides that, we have this option to turn off hotspot automatically, but it only works if no devices are connected to your hotspot. And I believe that it happens like after 10 minutes or so. And in case you need more than 10 minutes to let someone connect to your hotspot, that shouldn't be really a problem because you can just turn this option off. So of course you can do so if that's your situation. But I think one of the most important settings that you can check is speed and compatibility. So while we have the option to use the 2.4 and 6 GHz frequency, as a result, some devices might not be able to join your network. Now, generally speaking, this shouldn't really be a problem because we have the 2.4 version activated anyway, or 2.4 GHz. But in some rare instances, I assume that this can be actually a problem, that we do indeed use 6 GHz instead of the 2.4 and 5 GHz. So you might want to switch the frequency over here to 2.4 and 5 GHz just to make sure that pretty much all devices are supported, that they can detect and join your hotspot. And that is pretty much it. Now, actually, in addition to that, keep in mind that your hotspot works with Wi-Fi or with mobile data. So if you have poor Wi-Fi connection on your phone, then naturally the same quality of connection is going to be on your hotspot. So you want to make sure that you use proper proper Wi-Fi, that you have good Wi-Fi connection. And in case you do not use Wi-Fi at a moment, then you just need to keep in mind that you will use mobile data instead. So you want to make sure that you have proper mobile data on your phone. And in case everything fails, you can just simply restart your phone. So you can go to the quick settings panel, for example, and tap on this power button here in the bottom right corner to find the restart button. So you want to reboot your phone, and sometimes after rebooting the device, it might actually work again. So give it a try. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.